Hey everyone! Need your phone to last those extra crucial hours? No worries, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on the Ultra Battery Saver on your Xiaomi phone. It's super handy when you need to stretch your battery life to the max. Let's dive in. First of all, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down a little and find the battery option. Next, tap on it. Here, you will see the Ultra Battery Saver option. Just toggle it on. After that, hit the OK button. And there you go! Ultra Battery Saver mode is now on. Now, your phone will last until the end of the day. But remember, it limits some functionalities of your phone. To turn it off, just hit the exit button and Ultra Battery Saver will be turned off. So that's how you enable or disable Ultra Battery Saver mode on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Want more Xiaomi phone tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because there's plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!